as you like, right down the field. Kelly, not volcanic. All was good. Next drive. Here comes Notre Dame. Michael Floyd, the spectacular wideout. That malign Wolverine D gets punched right in the mouth. Notre Dame, any way you like it. They dominated time of possession. This game is 14-0. And then the electrifying, the scintillating Denard Robinson. 502 total yards of offense in the 3 TDs a year ago. Largely Notre Dame kept him in check. But this is exactly what Michigan did all night.
Oh my God.
Junior Hemingway, touchdown. Great look here.
Go blue, baby. Go blue. Go blue.
He grabs it, able to elude an Irish defender, dive for the pylon. They took a look, touchdown. Go blue on the board.
Yeah, go blue, baby.
24-7. It looked like Notre Dame might have this one in hand.
Fourth quarter, too.
And they've literally got Robinson in hand. But he stays on his feet, finds Junior Hemingway.
Wow.
Looks like he might be gone.
Wow.
All the way down, inside the Notre Dame 10-yard line. Another look as Robinson. Actually, another
Look at this.
This one, you see the play on the goal line. They blast the ball carrier, Stephen Hopkins. It comes right back to Robinson.
This game was destined to be
The
Michigan.
luck of the Irish belongs to the Wolverines for the moment. It's 24-14. Next Michigan drive. Robinson throws it up.
Touchdown.
Jeremy Gallen goes up and gets it. It's 24-21. Ensuing Notre Dame possession. Reese loses the ball. Another red zone turnover for the Irish. It's
The unlucky Irish.
First couple of weeks as they've dominated in yardage against South Florida and had an advantage here against Michigan, but they keep turning it over close. Ball pick for Robinson. Goes up top.
Wow.
Finds Hemingway in double coverage again. Robinson pushed the envelope, made some mistakes, but also made monstrous plays. Tackled another 15 for rushing the passer. And then here, Denard Gibbs. Denard
I almost lost it there.
The Irish take it away on a great catch by Robert Blanton there. So the Irish have got it back, but then Michigan gets another crack at it. 3rd and 2. Denard.
That was a good
First
spot.
down. After they measure, pretty nice spot that works out. Then Denard dimes up Calvin Grady. And then with the clock ticking down, they're in position to get the tying score. Robinson rolls right, looks back left. Beautifully designed play. Vincent Smith slips.
Wow.
Then 2 more. He takes it in. And with 1:12 on the clock, Michigan has flown.
I thought it was over here.
But here comes Notre Dame. Reese looking for Floyd. Interference call. That's probably a good flag because Floyd can get loose on you.
Yeah.
The next thing you know, the Irish would be back in front. Then Tyler Eifert. Reese blasts in there at the, inside the 35-yard line. Under a minute to go. Plenty of time and a timeout. They don't need it. Reese. Riddick.
Wow.
Touchdown.
30 seconds.
Michigan defense. And the Big House is riding a roller coaster of emotions. Out in front, now behind, but there's still time on the clock. As you see, Riddick, who scored the first, now scores what might be the last points of the game. Not tonight. It's Robinson. Rolls out. We're under 20 seconds left. They're on their side.
Oh my God.
Gallen's got it. Get out of bounds or maybe score. So 8 seconds on the clock. Do they kick the tying field goal? There's enough time left to run a play. And there's enough time for Roy Roundtree to make his first catch of the night.
Oh my God.
With 2 seconds left, 3 touchdowns in the last minute and 12 seconds.
Oh my God.
The lights shining bright on the biggest of stages.
That has got to be the best game ever.
Just an astonishingly entertaining college football game. And Brian Kelly's Irish cannot believe their fate. As the Big House celebrates and welcomes, hail to the victors indeed. Coach Hope off to a 2-0 start. And perhaps the best way to look at this game, look at Robinson's line. Only 11 of 24. He only completed 11 passes. He completed 3 to Notre Dame, but 4 touchdown passes. And Go Blue and Coach Hope off to a flying start. The men who called it in Ann Arbor to try to put this game in perspective. Brett Musburger, Kirk Street. Men?
Oh my God.
It is still some scene here in the Big House. Thousands have not moved.
You ready to go to Ann Arbor?
The Michigan band has now gone down to the middle of the field. They will serenade all of these.
Go blue, baby. Go blue. Go blue.
An unbelievable night in the Big House.
I don't think they're going to leave.
Hell no.
They are This is one of those once-in-a-lifetime moments for these Michigan fans and for you and I. I mean, we always watch great games, but this is one I think you and I will always remember.
Considering the traffic in Ann Arbor a little bit, it might be a good idea to stay here.
She ready to Ann Arbor? I'm not lying. I'm down though.
It was unbelievable. I've never seen. There were a lot of close games. I've
Oh
never
my.
seen 3 touchdowns in the last minute 12. No field goals now. We're talking 3 touchdowns. Take
That's
us through
Michigan
that.
football.
It happens so fast.
That's Michigan
It's great to
football.
listen to Scotty back at Sports Center to remind us of some of these plays that happen. This is big lane. Vincent Smith makes a play on a well-designed screen pass when they went back to him, and he made a man miss. Darius Fleming, and he found his way to the end zone. Now, you think
They kind of
He's
celebrated
down
early there.
forward. He needs a field goal. He needs a touchdown. A middle error by Michigan's defense. Reese capitalizes on it and finds Riddick. And just when it looks like Michigan
Miracle.
played for a potential field goal, they show courage.
I thought they were going to go to the center of the field there
And once again, for the second
to set up a field goal that they would have missed.
Robinson is the hero for this Michigan team as they knock off Notre
That's the
Dame
man right
for a
there,
third
right
straight
there.
year.
Oh, unbelievable. Up into the stands to celebrate with the crowd. The big house leap. So again,
Look at that.
Bernard Robinson, who had 502 total yards